Okay, let's start. First, how are you? I am Islam Khalil, EC Technical Specialist in Autodesk, Middle East and North of Africa. Today, we will talk about AI, artificial intelligence, and the fourth generation of digital transformation in EEC industry. First, let's talk about the history of industrial revolutions. First, let's talk about how we came here. Industrial revolution is defined as the major changes and the transition in manufacturing and industrial process with new innovative technologies. Since 1784, there have been four major industrial revolutions. Industry 1, which started in 1784, consisted of machines powered by water and steam. The second industrial revolution, which started around 1870, introduced electricity, steel, and mass production. The third industrial revolution, which started in 1969, introduced automation, robotics, and IET systems. And finally, Industry 4, or the fourth industrial revolution, was a term coined by Germany in 2011 and is also the era we are living in today, which includes some factory Internet of Things, or IoT, artificial intelligence, or AI and big data. So what's the Industry 4? In the current transformation of traditional manufacturing and industrial practices, driven by increasing automation, interconnectivity, and data exchange. The key technologies that drive Industry 4 are artificial intelligence and robotics, machine learning, cloud, cybersecurity, cloud computing, virtual reality, Internet of Things, integrated CAD and CAM. By implementing these technologies, businesses will be able to meet business objectives such as increase productivity and profitability, maintain customer relationships, shorten product development cycles, and stay ahead of their competition. Did you know what many jobs the young people are being trained for today may not exist or may be substantially different by the time these young people enter the workforce? Some examples of future job titles are smart city planner, energy engineer, virtual reality engineer, and metaverse developer. As technologies continue to evolve, so will the job titles wear. There are several challenges that remain from Industry 3 that are making it difficult for businesses to embrace new process and technologies. Some of them are that there is a high cost of implementation of Industry 4 technologies. There is a shortage of skilled workers to implement and manage Industry 4 technologies, limited access to training and education of CAD/CAM skills. There are many security and privacy concerns to protect data from cyber attacks. Integrating Industry 4 technologies with existing systems is not as easy as flipping a switch, as there is a lack of standardization amongst industries and companies. And lastly, there are ethical concerns regarding job displacement and use of algorithms that may be biased. There are five major differences and changes from Industry 3 to Industry 4. The first is the rise in automation. There is a rapid increase in use of automation and robotics to perform tasks previously done by humans. Second is that there are newer business models which tailor business objectives to meet sustainability goals and also prioritize on-demand manufacturing and sharing economy. The third major change is globalization, with more and more ways of being able to connect virtually. New markets and opportunities have opened up for businesses to expand their customer base throughout the world. The fourth major change is co-innovation drivers. There are many partnerships, such as industry-university partnerships, government-industry partnerships, and open source software that are essential to accelerate development and be able to adapt to new technologies. And last but not least, the fourth or the fifth major change is the development of artificial intelligence. AI is now being used to develop new products, automate tasks, and make business decisions, leading to new level of customization and efficiency. Industry 4 technologies support sustainable design in a variety of ways. Internet of Things, sensors, and computer vision can help identify opportunities to reduce energy consumption and improve energy efficiency. Artificial intelligence can be used to make materials lighter, more durable, can help optimize energy consumption of a product, and can help reduce environmental impact. Machine learning, which is very popular to be used for preventative maintenance, can prevent downtime the worst. And adaptive technology or manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, can be used to create prototypes and on demand without having to invest in expensive equipment and infrastructure for new innovative ideas. Some of the key technologies that are driving Industry 4 are artificial intelligence and machine learning, digital manufacturing, cybersecurity, cloud and visual computing, virtual reality, and the Internet of Things. We will be diving deeper into each of these technologies, explaining how each of them work and the practical based examples of how they are used throughout this module. Adaptive manufacturing, also known as, or additive manufacturing, also known as 3D printing, is a process of creating 3D objects from a digital model without additional tool. Now we were talking about Autodesk AI. In last year in Autodesk University, Autodesk announced that we are now in the era of AI. We invested a lot into our products to add AI capabilities and machine learning into our products. How will AI revolutionize human innovation? AI will augment creative exploration and problem solving for professionals in the architecture, engineering, and construction, manufacturing, media, and entertainment industries. Computers are good at spotting patterns in huge sets of data, which helps humans cut through complexity, innovate faster, make better decisions, and radically save time. Now we are investing in three sectors: architecture, engineering, and construction sector, manufacturing sector, media and entertainment sector. Our big data, we are investing our big data into our cloud platforms. So Autodesk Construction Cloud, one of the main elements to gather all the data from design or from planning stage, design stage to build and operate stage. Through this platform, we can collecting and gathering all the data from different stage through the life cycle project to gather and collecting and organize to be facilitated or to be analyzed by AI engine. One of the major principles in our CDE that our CDE support the ISO standard 19650 international standard for end-to-end information management over the life cycle of build asset. Some key requirements of ISO include naming standards, the ability to classify the data and assign a status, controls around project data. Let's look at some of our current offerings and their benefits to different project stakeholders. Now we see BIM at the foundation to achieve your data strategies. For CAD users, this means moving to BIM to better manage and standardize your data. For those already using BIM, you are expanding your data foundation to capture better insights and leverage automation. 60% of current BIM users started after 2016. This growth is expected to continue in the next few years. This acceleration is being fueled by overall digitization strategies, and we are positioning ourselves to help our customers make this migration aside from more industry coverage. There is another goal driven by our strategies. That goal is to invest in products that connect our customers' ecosystem and their data. That's why we are working to connect all of our portfolio offering in our common data environment, or CDE. Now we are moving to collect all this data as a foundation to build a strong AI. AEC data model is designed to make your data sets a valuable learning tool for your future AI needs. So the digital thread is data is the backbone, but intelligence is the fuel for transformation. So as accurate data you gathered, as accurate AI engine will analyze. That's why data is the backbone, but intelligence in the fuel of transformation. To emphasize the importance of data and intelligence in driving transformation, according to different articles and magazines in digital transformation, data is more important to generate or to help AI to give you the better insights. Some of our products, like for example, AutoCAD, we have AutoCAD in 2024. We added some features for machine learning and AI engine, like for example, the AI assistant in Autodesk, or Autodesk Assistant. This feature in AutoCAD can help you to answer your questions. If you ask it some questions about how to make any things in your drawings in AutoCAD, he will, or this feature will help you to give you all the steps that you can use it in your drawing in AutoCAD. This is one of the features we added in the recent versions of AutoCAD, starting from 2024.1 version. Another feature we added in AutoCAD, Smart Blocks. You can now make your cross-platform, or you can use the machine learning feature and AI feature to make your drawings in AutoCAD, and you can move. You can, instead of rotate, or instead of move or copy or paste, machine learning feature can understand this block rotated to which, or aligned to which wall, and automatically you can rotate it, or it can be rotated rapidly using machine learning feature. Another feature in our products, Autodesk Forma. Now you can perform predictive analysis for wind, noise, and operational energy in real time, so you can make smart design decisions that improve outcomes in your concept design for urban development. Instead of design step by step and making your analysis for different studies, in Autodesk Forma, you can design your concept model, gathering all stakeholders or design teams in one cloud platform using AI and AI engine and generative design to predict or analysis all the environmental analysis you can using it in Autodesk Forma. Another thing we added in Autodesk Construction Cloud, auto tagging photos. In Autodesk built, you can upload all photos from different sites, from different projects, from different sources, and then you can automatically, after uploaded it, auto tagging is one of AI features that understand what are the elements inside this photo and making tags depending on every element inside this photo. So for example, if you are seeing now this photo, you will see different tags, for example, for duct, for wall, for any element. So AI engine can understand what are the elements inside this photo by using auto tag feature. Another thing in Autodesk Takeoff, one of the modules of Autodesk Construction Cloud, you can now see how can understand the elements you want to number again, or you want to know how many elements similar to the element you selected by sample detection using AI feature. Now in Autodesk Takeoff, you can gather or you can collect all the elements rapidly inside this drawing. So this is one of the features using AI to help you to make your POQ more accurate and more faster. Another feature we added in Autodesk Construction Cloud, IQ, Construction IQ. Finally, we have a big portfolio to live today from carbon analysis solutions in Revit inside in Autodesk Construction Cloud as Autodesk continue to develop technology for the AEC asset lifecycle. We are enabling connected workers and connected workflows between Forma, Revit, and expanding analysis to drive end-to-end solutions for sustainable analysis and insights using artificial intelligence and machine learning. From wind analysis, daylight potential, programmatic functions, compare analysis to sun analysis to microclimate analysis, working on cloud platform and AI engine. So one of the features for Autodesk Forma that is using AI engine, generative design for developing different alternatives for your urban development after making real-time analysis and making different environmental analysis quickly and rapidly to get your outcomes rapidly in your design. That's why we are moving today to involve our AI and machine learning capabilities in our products to help our customers to get faster decisions and increase their outcomes and getting their outcomes rapidly. Thank you all for our session today, and see you soon in different conferences in the future. Thank you and have a good day.